There he is. Feels like a good one. All right, this is the first time that I've been out in a week. Our area received somewhere between 4 to 6 inches of rain over the last several days. The weather just hasn't been very good. The lakes are full of fresh, muddy water. I figure the fishing's gonna be pretty tough, but hopefully I can get enough bites to make a good trip out of it. It's gonna be just a beautiful day. Let's go. So we're looking at about 4 inches of visibility this morning. So yeah, it was it has muddied the lake up pretty good. We had a lot of rain, had some wind come through on top of that, so I knew it was going to be pretty muddy over here. Hopefully we can get a bite or two and make a good trip out of it. I'm looking for my first bite. I'm not sure if I want to throw this mag UV crawl or throw a spinnerbait. I'll probably swap back and forth, see if I can get a bite on something here this morning. There we go. Finally got us a decent cast in. There he is. Boy, he hit it pretty quick. Yeah. It's a long fish. Little mark on his tail. All right, buddy. Appreciate it. There he is. That's a nice fish. Nice spinnerbait bass. Let you go. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. Yep. Feels like a pretty good one. It'll run me into the tree over here. Come on. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. It's a nice one. Barely had him. All right, girl, I'll let you go. See you later. There he is. Just felt my blade stop turning and set the hook. All right, partner. Yeah, I think they like the spinnerbait. Starting to think they do anyways. Starting to gain some confidence in this spinnerbait. I've been building spinnerbait since I was a child, and so I like to try different stuff out. This one is I don't mold them anymore, but I just buy the heads. I like the Booyah heads, and then I'll just change the blades and the skirt around. A lot of times I'll just leave the skirt the way it is, just change the blades around. This one I put a Humdinger 2.5 Colorado on, and a 4.5 Indiana. You don't see a lot of 4.5 Indiana blades anymore. So I was just gonna give it a try. Built it the other day. I knew we were gonna have some muddy water, and just had it ready to go. And I've caught a few this morning on it. See if we can catch a few more. There he is. And they are right on the tree. If you don't hit the tree, you won't catch anything. Boy, that's a nice, healthy looking bass. Just a short, stocky, beautiful fish. That was so much fun. All right, I'm gonna let you go. If I can get in there this time. There he is. Feels like a good one. Boy, he's taking some line. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful bass. I threw 2 casts to the front of that tree. Didn't get a bite. Threw one down the back side of it. And that's where she was. Boy, they've been eating good. Spanish moss got me on that one. I'm gonna bring it right down and bump the base of that tree. A little bit short. There he is. That feels like a decent little fish. I didn't think it was very good at first, but well, he hit it coming to me. Uh-oh. That's another real good one. Boy, that's a nice bass. Nice chunky healthy fish. Bit the spinnerbait. All right, buddy, see you later. Starting to put together a pretty good bag of post-spawn bass. Well, I'm a little surprised that I've caught as many as I have this morning with the amount of rain that we've received, but they've been real tight to cover. There he is. Well, he hammered it. About took the rod out of my hands. Holy dude. Gosh, there he is. Well, he nailed that spinnerbait. Just get in front of one of them, I guess. It's another nice one. Fat belly, they're feeding back up. Just a beautiful bass. Thank you, my friend. Whoo-wee. Nice quiet presentation is everything while doing this. You splash it in there, you're liable to spook the fish, and it is so hard not to do it. There he is, boy. He hit it when it hit the water. Yeah, that might be that might be the best fish of the day here. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. Well, no, I think I've got 3 others like him, but that might be the biggest. Boy, that is a chunky fish. Look how big she is. Whew. Man, that's a nice fish. Belly's full. Good post-spawn bass feeding up. We're pretty much in the post-spawn, but that one might have been laying eggs. They all spawn at different times. You'll have some spawn later than others, so it's quite possible. I'm gonna go ahead and guess and say if it wasn't for this big spinnerbait, I wouldn't have done as good as I've done so far this morning. I can see old Tank down there laying up on a log. Maybe he'll let us get close enough to see him on camera. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see him yet, but man, that's a big alligator up here on this. I don't know if he's laying on a log or exactly what he's doing, but he's sunning. There he is. I got a fish. That's a nice one too. I don't want him to scare that alligator before we can get down there and take a look at him. Oh yeah. Well, that's a beautiful bass. Had him hooked good. Alright, this alligator's right around this corner. We're just going to kind of ease and be quiet, see if we can get he's a good one. I mean, he's a big old gator. I think it's the one on my home screen. It's another year or 2 older. Yeah, he was, there wasn't no puppy there. So yeah, I believe they're on these shallower trees. I think all that water coming in made them move back up towards the banks. There he is. I thought he got it. I wasn't sure. He came running towards me. All right, that was pretty fun. When it hit the water, I engaged the reel and all, and I saw the spinnerbait start spinning. Then it just got real light. He hit it coming towards me. There he is. Look at the size of this crappie. Get it in. Boy, that is a nice crappie. Yeah. Beautiful crappie. Well, it's good to catch them doing something other than pitching, because I have found myself pitching a lot here lately. There he is. Get in here, boy. Another solid 2-pounder. Tearing up all my trailers. We'll run out of trailers. All right, buddy, appreciate it. I've been biting off about 3/4 of an inch off a Reaction Innovation skinny dipper and put it on the back of the spinnerbait. Give it a little extra body. Seems to be working pretty good. Overshot it a little bit. There he is. I think that's the small fish of the day right there. There he is. Not too bad. All right, buddy. That's a good one to quit on right there. See you next time.